Guys, welcome back, and I am glad to have you guys back, and we are doing a military surplus unboxing. And might I say, this is a very rare military surplus unboxing, probably the rarest I've ever done. Glad to have you guys back, and I hope you guys enjoyed my last adventure, the three-part series of Chautauqua, Nicolay, National Forest, whatever, however you say it. Don't know. Not really too worried about it. That's just me, right? Sky survival, where English speech really doesn't matter because it's all about survival. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was a lot of fun. Me and Angel, we had a lot of fun doing that. She wasn't in the video, but just that trip in general was a lot of fun. So we're ready to go back again. I'd like to go back again too. So on with the story. So we have a very rare unboxing, and this is the predecessor, the precursor to the MSS sleep system, the USGI, the United States Military Sleep System. And this is the extreme cold weather sleep system. And I think it's Isratex is the company that's contracted by the military that made these. These started out, I believe, the late 80s, early 90s. Don't quote me on it. I'm still going to do some background research on this. I looked some stuff up. We'll go over that in a little bit. But right now, I've got the sleep system, the sleeping bag, and the bivy sack in this box, and the compression sack. And it's supposed to be all the original piece. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and open this up, and then we'll talk about it a little bit. And we're going to be doing a overnighter with this system here pretty soon too. So, but right now we're going to do unboxing. So let's get down to it. We're going to use a Mora knife that my friend John got me, and I got to be very careful opening this up because it is a sleep system. Let's see here. All right, let's check this out. So this looks to be the compression sack. And this, the way they advertise this, and I got this on eBay, but the way they advertise it is in very good condition. So far so good. Maybe slept in or used one time, they said. We'll just set that down there for now. Okay, so this is a sleeping hood, but this isn't the sleeping hood that goes with the system. It was just added with it because there is a hoodie like this and booties that go with the system. However, they didn't have it. I did order the hoodie that goes with this. I have not gotten that yet. So, but the best part of this is going to be camping in it, or sleeping in it, I mean to say. Right. Man, this doesn't even, I mean, it does look brand new. I'll put you guys down here on the couch. We'll get it spread out. All right, so here it is. I got it spread out on the couch here. It's similar to the MSS, but like I said, it's the precursor to, or the predecessor. But it's the Gore-Tex bivy here. And in the description, they did say the US was starting to fade, which that doesn't make any difference. That used to be white. It's dark now. But my curious thing was what the seams were like on the inside. Not sure how the kind of seams they are in here, but still, oh yeah, they look nice. Cool. But what's different about this one versus the MSS is it's just one sleeping bag. And the MSS, of course, 2 sleeping bags plus Gore-Tex bivy. Now this Gore-Tex bivy here is different than the MSS. It buttons right here on the tops to the sleeping bag itself. Wow, I was kind of curious on how it works on the side. Oh wow, it buttons to the side of the sleeping bag as well. That's cool. So that just overflaps on there. That's pretty neat. And one more thing they did say, and that's no big deal. Wow. Right there was a missing button that went right there. Actually, the button's still on the old button right there. So I don't know, that could probably be fixed, glued back on or something, but that's I'm not worried about that. It's no big deal because that goes here on the side. So it looks like the bivy versus like the MSS, it just buttons up. Okay, so you got the buttons here, that button on the system itself. Same thing over here too. And then you have the buttons here on the bag, that button to the sleeping bag as well. See if I can do this one-handed. Supposed to actually should be able to break these open. Should be able to just yeah, break these open like that. That's what's nice about military surplus. Say though, this material doesn't feel as strong as the MSS Gore-Tex, so that's interesting. Here's on the Gore-Tex. You guys can see it. Cold weather sleep system, Isratex, DLA 100-93D-4037. Cool. We're gonna do an overnighter with this here in a few weeks, so that's gonna be really cool. And when we do the overnighter, I'll do some more details I'm showing on it. So, and then on the inside of the bivy here, it's got the Velcro pocket, probably store your hoodie and your booties in, that we don't have yet. But man, for this thing being as old as it is, here's the seams on it. At least so far I can find, it's pretty darn nice. But the only thing I can see with this thing here is that where these connect here, they're pretty tight on the buttons, so I see that ripping. That's probably what happened with that top one there, but who knows. But I want to see if I can, how well I fit in the sleep bag. And I think it was like 6 feet 7 inches. Don't quote me on that. But I'm 6 foot, so it feels pretty, it definitely feels pretty darn roomy. Zippers are very smooth on it. Oh yeah. Scoot all the way down to the bottom. Here. Put my hood on. There we go. And then you have a draw cord for the sleep bag itself, which we'll go ahead and tighten that up. And then drawstring on the bivy itself here. There. Cool. So there it is. Yeah, check it out, guys. This thing's cool. I like it. I want to say it's rated a -10 Fahrenheit. I'm not totally for sure. Let me show you sit up in it. Cool, so yeah, check it out. You can kind of see me in here. I've got lots of room on this part here. But if you guys can see how it fits good. I like it. So yeah, the Isratex Extreme Cold Weather Sleep System. The predecessor to the MSS sleep system. Pretty cool, guys. And what's cool about military surplus is that you don't even gotta use the zipper, you just break it apart. You need to hurry up and get out in case some Russians are coming after you. And here's one more thing. On the bag itself, it says US Extreme Cold Weather. But I can say that this is not a very thick bag. And in the picture, it didn't look very thick. It looked similar to the intermediate bags, what this one looks similar to, but we'll find out. We're gonna do it here. We're gonna do an overnighter using this here in a few weeks, so we'll definitely find out. Seams are all really in good shape. Everything's a really nice shape. The only thing I can see ripping easy is the buttons here. This here, I mean, that's just like a nylon material. But yeah. And here is the compression sack. Let's see what it says here. See it there. Actually, turn this light off. I don't need that light on. Kind of blurry. Bag stuff, sleeping system, Isratex Incorporated. So yeah, guys, it was just kind of like a first look at this new old stock sleep system that's a precursor to the MSS. So next video, we're going to take it out and we're going to test it out. But I might add on to this video when I get my my hoodie that goes along with this system. I ordered that. I thought it had been here today, but I think it's going to be here tomorrow. But if I want to do this video, I'll add that to the video, or I'll just do a separate video. And the booties I can't find anywhere, so I'll be keeping my eye out for the booties that go with this system. So hopefully when we do the sleepover, camp out, we'll have the booties as well. But, and check this out. One more thing. And we're going to use the Alice Pack Molly 2 configuration with this. So it's going to be a really cool overnighter when we do it, so I can't wait. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by, and all my new subs, thank you for coming along with me, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And I'm almost at 1,000 subs, so that's really cool. And I'm going to be able to do it without you guys. So I really appreciate you guys coming along with me and subscribing to me. But make sure you hit the notification bell so you get all my notifications. And like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, God bless you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.